Let's replace the main wiring harness on the A9 and A8 Aniioki Pro Max. Common reasons for replacing is the display does not work, but the anti-theft alarm responds when the remote is pressed and both the display and controller voltages are normal. Another reason is the error code E30 appears on the display, and also if the wiring harness was damaged due to heavy rain and water exposure. First, remove the controller by unscrewing the 6 screws on the side of the bike. Carefully remove and locate the main wire harness, then disconnect it. Take the controller out so you have more space to work. A helpful trick for routing is to tie a string to one end of the harness so you can easily pull the new one back through later. Next, remove the zip ties holding the wires together and gently pull out the main wire harness. Remove the cable cover. Once exposed, you will see the wires. On the bottom there is one green wire and 2 red wires. On the top half, the right side has a red and an orange wire, and the left side has a green, red, and black wire. Once the wire harness is completely removed, attach the string you used earlier to the new harness and route it back the same way it came. After it is pulled through, reconnect it to the controller. Connect all of the cables exactly the same way they were originally. The 2 red wires are for the blinkers and the green wire is for the headlight. Once everything is plugged in, carefully tuck the controller and wires back into place. Screw the controller plate back on. Wrap the cable covers back over the wires. Just like that, you have successfully replaced the main harness on the A8 and A9 Pro Max.